Okay, let's proceed to contestant number 117. Our lady in green. Wow, I love your entrance. Hi, what's your name?
Yumi Clay. Yumi Clay of school.
Yumi. Hi, Yumi. How old are you?
5 years old.
5 years old. So, sino yung kasama mo ngayon dito sa SM?
Mom and Daddy.
Mommy and Daddy. Hi ka naman sa kanila. Okay. It's all out support. And Yumi, it's Father's Day today. Father's Day ngayon. Ano yung wish mo para kay Daddy?
Daddy, mag-iingat ka lagi sa pagdadrive mo. Love you.
Oh, that's so sweet, di ba? Always, make sure na safety. Ayan. So, Yumi, and then speaking of driving, kapag nanalo ka sa SM Middle Stars, you're gonna win a brand new Suzuki Desire, a brand new car. So, anong gagawin mo? Saan kayo pupunta ni Mommy and Daddy kapag meron ka ng brand new car?
Ibigay ko na lang po siguro sa pinsan ko.
Nice.
Kasi po wala pa silang kami car. Kasi po kami dalawang namin.
Ay, okay. Ang generous naman. She's gonna give away her brand new Suzuki Desire, which is really nice. So, are you excited to perform?
Yes.
Okay, we're excited to see you perform too. So, take it away, contestant number 117.